Your ASUS wireless router comes with an intuitive web graphical user interface that allows you to easily configure its various features through a web browser. Before we get started, to set up your router via wired connection, first, use the bundled network cable to connect LAN port of ASUS router and laptop or PC. Next, connect the power cable and press the power button to turn on the router. Finally, you can see that the router's LED light is on. Now, let's go to router setting page. Open a browser, and type router.asus.com. Enter your router login name and password. Click Sign In to enter the setting page. Now, you can use the web GUI to configure the settings of your ASUS wireless router. When you type router.asus.com in browser, but can't enter to settings page, try the following methods. First, check that the network cable is plugged into the LAN port. If not work, please press the power button to turn the router back on. Then try to enter to settings page. The last method, restore the router to default setting. Please find your router reset button. Next, connect the power cable and press the power button to turn on the router. You can see that the router's LED light is on. Press and hold the reset button until router power LED light starts to flash, and then release the button. When the router is powering back on, wait until the LED light's on. The restore has been completed. Then could try again to enter the setting page of the router.